So far, we have installed WordPress onto the domain. So let's check out how our website looks like. So I'm just opening my main website, that is the magicrooms.com. Alright, so here we can see a default website is appearing over here with some kind of content like my WordPress website, just another WordPress website. This hello world is basically a default blog post, and this is a search box. Some kind of recent posts are over here. So whenever you install a fresh WordPress onto a new domain, this default theme applies onto the domain and website looks like this. But this design is not looking too good, or it's not beautiful. So let's go ahead, change this theme so that our website looks a little bit better than this. In order to do that, simply go to the admin page. So we need to just add /wp-admin and hit enter. So it will ask you for the username and the password. This is the same username and the password that we had created during the WordPress installation. So you can simply input your own one. Here we go. So I am logged in into the WordPress dashboard. So this is basically the backend area from where we manage all the content, all the pages, all the posts, products, and almost everything can be managed from here. Let me give you a little description about this section. WordPress allows you to use blog by default, as we can see over here, post section. So posts are basically the articles you can add from here. So I'm just going to click on all posts. And here we can see this is a default post with the title Hello World. So from here you can write blog posts into the website. So this is just an extra benefit that you got. Now here we have pages section, from where we can create pages like home, about, contact, or whatever the number of pages you would like to create. Let's go ahead and change the theme of your website. So here under appearance we have themes. Just click on it. So this is the themes page. Here we have 3 themes available: 2019, 2017 and 2016, in which 29 is the currently active theme. These 2 themes are just installed, but they are not active. Remember, at a time you can install more than one themes into the WordPress, but only one theme can be activated at one time. Let's go ahead and add a new theme. So at the very top you can see add new. Just click on it. For your information, in WordPress there are 2 types of themes available: free themes and premium themes. These all are the free themes. You can use these themes without paying any extra charges, but these themes are limited in terms of designing. So if you want to add more designing, or if you would like to have more flexibility in the design customization, then you should use a premium theme. But here I am going to guide you to use a very good free of cost theme that will give you more flexibility. So in the search box, just search for Ocean WP. This is the theme. Just install it and now activate. The Ocean WP theme has been successfully activated, as we can see over here the message. Now firstly let's check out our front page of the website and see if any changes have been done or not. Here we go. So now we can see the design of our front page has been changed, and this looks a little better than the previous one. Let's go back to the backend. We'll be making this entire layout more beautiful, more stunning. So with the help of Ocean WP theme, you can make any type of website, whether it's an e-commerce store or a basic business website. Even you can run a money-making blog with the help of this theme. But today, we'll be making an Amazon affiliate website with Ocean WP theme to make a full-time income. Ocean WP theme recommends to install few plugins like this Elementor, this Ocean Extra, and this WP Forms. So before installing these plugins, let me explain you a bit about them. Plugins are a kind of software, or we can say scripts, which are used to add features and functionalities into your website. Like this Elementor plugin. This plugin is used to design the pages and putting content on them. This WP Form plugin is used to create contact forms on your website with a simple drag and drop interface. There are more than 1000 plugins available to add on your affiliate website and make it features rich. So like themes, Plugins are also available in two versions, free plugins and premium plugins. So here I will be giving you a premium plugin free of cost to all my students who are watching this lecture carefully. We will not be using this Elementor plugin to make the pages, but I will be giving you a premium plugin which is WP Bakery Page Builder. This page builder has been ranked number 1 into the WordPress environment, into the WordPress directory, and you can create almost any type of layout with the help of WP Bakery Page Builder plugin. So let's start installing the plugins in the next lecture. Thank you very much.